Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to evaluate your AI agent end-to-end using Galtea. Galtea is an AI evaluation platform that generates synthetic test scenarios and tailored metrics starting from your product description. This way, you don't have to rely on off-the-shelf generic benchmark to run your evaluations, and you don't have to write a single test case or judge prompt by hand. Let me show you how. So the first thing that we want to do is to onboard our product on Galtea. So I will click on register product, give it a name. In my case, it's called Area Financial Educator, and a product description which tells Galtea what my product does or doesn't. For this video, I will choose the quick generation mode, but if you have any document or images containing product specifications, it's useful to upload them in order to improve the generation. So I will generate with AI, and Galtea will give me a complete list of specifications, which are split into policies, capabilities, and inabilities. Policies are the rules that the product must follow. These are extremely important in order to generate the correct metrics and test data for our product. Then we will have the capabilities, which is what our product can do, and inabilities, which is everything that's out of scope for the product, basically. Here we can decide if we want to add a specification, delete one, or modify an existing one. I will just keep the existing one and going forward, creating my product. Okay, here we can start our actual evaluation process using Galtea. The first thing that we need to choose is between development mode or production mode. For this video, of course, I will use development, but if you have an already deployed agent in production, you can use it to monitor real user interactions. So let's start with development. And here I will select all my specifications that I want to validate. In this case, I will just select them all, click on next, and Galtea will generate for me all the test cases and metrics for each and every one of these specifications that I selected in the previous step. Great, now the process is complete and I can move forward. Here I can choose between SDK or endpoint connection. So if you have an agent deployed, you can connect your APIs. Otherwise, you can use our SDK in Python. Here I will generate an API key. Let me copy this and store this in this text editor. Okay. Then we can actually install the SDK. I already have it installed in my terminal, but just to show you, install Galtea. Okay. So the next step is to take our Galtea key and copy the key here, so that Galtea will give me the code that I need to add inside my agent in order to properly run the evaluations. So let me just copy this code. And here I have my script already. I will just copy this code, and since this script references the actual agent, I will add the import and the call with the updated APIs. Okay. Now, what's left to do is to actually run the evaluation. So in my terminal, I will run my evaluate area script. And the evaluation process will start. Okay, so now the evaluation is complete and I can see the results. So here we can see an overview of the evaluation that we just ran. If we go in coverage, we see that one of the specification, specifically the one that says ARIA always includes a disclaimer advising users to consult a licensed professional, scores poorly. So what I can do is go in the evaluations tab, check for the evaluations that scored poorly, which is this one. Here I can check the details. I can see the whole conversation and also the reason for the score. And we can also see all the traces, the tools and functions that are being called during the session. So we can exactly pinpoint the moment where the agent fails. And that's it. What's left now is to improve our agent and run another evaluation to see if the score improved or not.